And hello again, folks. Got yet another video for you. This one is also donated to me from Brandon. This is Yaesu FT1802 VHF mobile radio. It has the Yaesu MH48 DTMF microphone, full feature microphone. And the issue with this one is the cord is completely disintegrated on the top half. So basically, what I'm going to try to do is we're going to remove this whole part of the back cord, and we're going to try to move the top half, which seems to be pretty good. Move this up to eliminate this piece. Basically, taking the cord, cut this section here out of it, and moving the cord up. At least that's the plan. Now, regardless if this is going to work, I don't know, because unfortunately the rubber grommet here has been also damaged. So I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but we're going to give it a try. I do have some different pieces, some different style of heat shrink here that might work to help this, make this a bit more secure up here, but we'll see how it goes. So yeah, this is going to try to rebuild the Yaesu MH48 full feature microphone with mic cord issues. So stand by, see what we can do with this thing. Okay, so we got the microphone now opened. So just so we have the color code here. And if anybody has one of these cords and the wires break off or whatever, so basically left to right with the mic cord that direction. Blue, white, shield, red, gray, and green. So basically what I'm going to have to do here, well, we've got two options here. Either I can remove this connector altogether, solder the wires directly to the board, or I can solder to these wires, heat shrink them over. So I'm thinking we're going to leave the connector as is, and we're going to utilize the wiring that's already here. I'm going to cut them back a little distance here, a wee bit, so we can utilize them, solder onto them, and see how it goes. Once I get it off, this rubber here, rubber grommet, I'm going to have to pull the wires through here. I may end up having to drill through this one. I'm going to try to save this piece here. This one here is going to be pretty much lost, but we are going to try to I'm going to try and utilize this piece if possible. Well, I got to if I can. But anyways, that's the plan. Will it work? I don't know. Let's find out. Okay, so we got the plug and plug. Got the wire cut back a good 2 inches, 2.5 inches. We took the insulation back here off down to the good. So I removed all the insulation that was bad. I left the wire intact. This is the old insulation there. It's like that old HTX 242 microphone I had that time when we had to rewire it with a new cord on it. This is the same sort of thing. So chances are it's probably the same exact kind of rubber used on that. So anyways, the rubber grommet, I managed to run that down through. So we're going to reutilize this again. And basically, we're just going to match the colors here. And reconnect the wiring. The excess wiring will just be inside the mic. It's not going to matter. But yeah, that is the plan. So yeah, anyway, leave about a couple inches here, 2.5 inches, and just snip it. And then we're going to trim this back and attach each one of these wires to these wires here. At least that's the plan. So anyway, let's get it done. Okay, so we got the wires soldered in here. soldered in and heat shrunk. So now we're going to plug this thing in here. Like so. Move the grommet up. And these wires here are going to be tucked away kind of in on top of this little area right here. And then all this here will all go back together. So anyway, so far so good. And down here I'll put a little bit of heat shrink on it. So anyway, let's put it together. See what it looks like. So the wires are going to sit kind of, the grommet's going to be in here. Cable's going to go in between the connector and the screw in here, and then loop back. So that's how it's going to look inside. Mightn't look pretty, but it's going to work. So yeah, I think this should be fine. We'll find out very shortly. Okay. There's the final results. Don't know how long the cord's going to last. It's just the old rubber that's used on it is not very good. But I got to strip back enough that it's not splitting. But the mic plug on this thing is a 6-pin. The 6-pin plug. So technically, you know, you could actually replace the cord itself with a different cord. You just gotta come up with a 6-pin RJ connector here and new cord. But here we have it. Nice, let us replace the or fix up the cord in the Yaesu HM48. So let's power up the radio here and give her a try. See what it's like. Okay, so we're gonna try the microphone on the local link repeater.
This is the VO1GT repeater.
Well, there you go. VO1 GT repeater. So we're gonna give it a try. See if anybody's there for a radio check. Victor Ocean 1, Mike Delta Sierra, looking for a radio check. Anybody copy over?
I think that was you, Dale. VO1MDS. The radio was scanning, so all I heard was radio check. Yeah, you're loud, clear, Tango. And you're calling it VO1IV mobile.
VO1IV, VO1MDS on a GT. Right on there, Aaron. Thanks. Just doing a little radio check there. Just had to rewire a microphone here on the Yaesu FT802. Just wondering if how she was sounding okay.
Yes, sounded fine, Dale. A little tiny bit on the hot side. Just bring it back just a touch and you'll be best kind.
Right on, yeah. Alright. About I don't know, a couple inches away from it there now.
Yes, you're perfect. Q5.
Right on, perfect. Thanks for the check. That got the mic fixed. Thanks.
Yep, okay, Dale. Fine business for sure. VO1MDS, VO1IV.
Roger that. VO1MDS clear on GT. And there you have it. Fixed and ready to go. All the best, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is Rhino63. We're out of here. And thanks a lot, Brandon. She's an awesome radio for sure. Thanks.